If you have been shopping for a plug-in hybrid family SUV lately, you will know two things. They are usually expensive, and their electric-only ranges are often disappointingly short. So when a relatively unknown Chinese brand turns up offering one of the longest electric ranges in the class, for thousands less than the mainstream names, it is worth paying attention. This is the Omoda 7, and on paper at least, it might just be one of the smartest value buys in the entire family SUV market. Let us take a proper look. Starting on the outside, the Omoda 7 is a handsome, modern, mid-size family SUV. It has a clean, contemporary shape with sleek lighting, a bold grille, and the kind of proportions that look right at home on any suburban driveway. The night trim comes as standard on big 19-inch alloy wheels, with full LED lighting front and rear and privacy glass, giving it a genuinely premium feel for the money. If there is a criticism, it is that the styling, while neat, is a little anonymous, the sort of design that blends into the crowd rather than turning heads. But for a lot of family buyers, that understated, inoffensive look is exactly what they want, and there is no doubt it looks like a far more expensive car than it actually is. Inside is where the value really starts to shine, because the cabin feels genuinely upmarket. It is dominated by an enormous 15.6-inch central touchscreen running on a powerful processor that makes it slick and responsive to use, the kind of tech you would expect in a car costing far more. Around it, the dashboard is clean and modern, trimmed in soft leatherette with heated front seats and a heated steering wheel as standard, plus keyless entry and a surround view camera system. It all feels solidly built and well equipped. The one frustration, and it is a common one these days, is that too many of the everyday controls are buried inside that touchscreen, so simple adjustments like the climate take more attention than they should while driving. But in terms of sheer perceived quality and equipment for the price, the Omoda 7 punches well above its weight. And it is properly practical too. Despite being a plug-in hybrid with a battery to package, the Omoda 7 offers a generous boot of well over 600 liters, which is bigger than many rivals manage, even without a battery on board. There is plenty of space for passengers in both rows, with good head and legroom in the back, making it a genuinely usable family car. The soft, comfortable ride adds to that sense of easy, relaxed family transport. This is a car built around real-world usability, with the room to swallow the buggies, the luggage, and the weekly shop without complaint, which is exactly what this kind of SUV needs to do. But the real headline, and the reason this car matters, is its plug-in hybrid powertrain. It combines a petrol engine with an electric motor and, crucially, a large 18.4 kilowatt-hour battery, which is significantly bigger than the batteries in most rival plug-in hybrids. That big battery delivers an electric-only range of around 56 miles. Let that sink in, because it is genuinely impressive. Most plug-in hybrids in this class manage 30 or 40 miles at best, so for many owners, 56 miles means the entire daily commute, the school run, and the local errands can be done on cheap electricity alone, with the petrol engine reserved only for longer trips. The combined system produces a healthy 201 horsepower, so it is brisk enough, and the way it blends electric and petrol power is smooth and refined in everyday driving. This is the heart of the Omoda 7's appeal, a longer electric range than the established names at a lower price. If finding the value the big brands fear is why you are here, subscribe. So let us talk about that price, because it is the whole point. The Omoda 7 plug-in hybrid starts at a figure that undercuts almost every mainstream rival, often by a significant margin, while offering more electric range and more standard equipment. On pure value for money, very little else can touch it. But, and there is always a but, you should go in with your eyes open. The handling is tuned firmly for comfort, which means it leans and rolls noticeably through corners, so it is not a car you will enjoy driving quickly. The styling, as mentioned, is a little generic. And the big one, as with any newer brand, is the uncertainty around long-term reliability, resale values, and dealer support, which are simply unproven compared to a Toyota or a Kia. None of these are deal breakers, but they are the trade-offs you accept for all that value. So, the verdict: the Omoda 7 is a hugely impressive value proposition. It takes the thing that usually makes plug-in hybrids frustrating, the short electric range and the high price, and fixes both, giving you a genuinely useful 56 miles of electric driving, a spacious and well-equipped cabin, and a comfortable ride, all for less money than the obvious alternatives. You give up a fashionable badge, the last word in driving polish, and the reassurance of a proven name. But for the sensible family buyer who wants maximum plug-in hybrid efficiency and equipment for their money, the Omoda 7 makes a genuinely compelling, hard-to-ignore case. It is proof, once again, of just how seriously the new wave of brands is challenging the establishment.